Morning class. Today I will explain you lesson 2. The name of the lesson is Your Home, My Home. Okay? First take a screen shot. Warm up exercise. What are these rooms called? Write the missing letters. Look at picture 1, 2, 3, 4. These rooms. Okay? Missing letters. और हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? ये रूम कौन से हैं? ओके, लुक एट पिक्चर. फर्स्ट पिक्चर, सेंटर टेबल, टेलीविज़न, सोफा. इट मीन्स ड्राइंग रूम. D R A W I N G. Drawing room. R O O M. Room. Second picture, bed. It means bedroom. B E D. Bed. R O O M. Room. Bedroom. Second picture is bedroom. Third picture, look at sink, mixer grinder. It means kitchen. K I T C H E N. Kitchen. Last picture is bathtub, toilet seat. It means bathroom. B A T H. Bath. R O O O M. Room. Bathroom. Okay. Need of a house. A house is a building in which people live. A house keeps us safe from heat, cold and rain. It also protects us from thieves and wild animals. Okay class? Need means require of a house. Okay? House is one of our important need. Okay? A house is a building in which people live. Okay? A building is a place where people live. We can call this building a house. Why do we need a house? क्यों नीड है हाउस की हमें? नीड a house for safe from various things. Okay, bad weather means heat, cold, rain, storm. Okay, and wild animal. It also protects us from thieves and wild animals. Thieves. The house is needed to keep important papers and jewelry safe from thieves. Okay? A house becomes a home when a family lives in it. A house can become a house only when the family members live in it. जो आपका हाउस है उसको हम कब होम कहते हैं या हाउस कहते हैं? जब उसमें हमारे जो फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं वो क्या करते हैं? लिव करते हैं या रहते हैं. ओके, वी विल टर्न द पेज. Types of houses. Okay class, people live in different type of houses, but I will tell you about 3 type of houses. 1 कच्चा house, second पक्का हाउस, एंड थर्ड स्पेशल हाउस. ओके, फर्स्ट कच्चा हाउसेस. टेम्पररी हाउसेस मेड ऑफ mud, wood and straw are called कच्चा house. Underline the word of temporary, meaning not permanent. Okay, houses made of mud. Mud means wet earth. Wood, underline the word. The hard substance that trees are made of. Straw are called kacha houses. Kacha houses are made up of wood, mud, straw, and dry leaves. Okay? A hut like this, a hut is a kacha house. Okay? Hut is a example of kacha house. Okay? A house built with naturally material like wood, like mud, wood, straw, etc. Okay? These houses are not very strong and may collapse due to heavy rainfall or storm. Okay, class? These houses are not very strong. Strong means not easily broken. Strong. Okay? And may collapse. Collapse means, underline the word, collapse means damage. Okay? Due to heavy rainfall or storm. Storm means, underline the word, storm means very bad weather with a lot of rain, strong wind, etc. Okay? Kacha kacha house is not strong and to fall down, वो बहुत जल्दी क्या हो जाते हैं, गिर जाते हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होते. क्यों? ड्यू टू हैवी रेनफॉल एंड स्टॉर्म मीन्स वेरी बैड वेदर. जैसे ही बैड वेदर होता है, स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड होती है, स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड एंड हैवी रेनफॉल होता है, तो ये जो हमारे कच्चा हाउसेस हैं ये क्या हो जाते हैं, डैमेज हो जाते हैं. ओके? कच्चा हाउसेस आर बिल्ड मेनली इन villages. Build means to make. Okay? Mainly kacha houses are built in the village. Hut and flat roof kacha houses are common there. In village area, kacha houses, in village area, hut and flat roof houses built here. Okay. Huts and flat roof kacha houses are common there. Hut and flat roof houses are common in the village. Okay class. Pakka houses. Pakka houses means houses that are built from stone, sand, concrete, steel, iron. We call them pakka houses. Permanent houses are made of stones, bricks, concrete, cement, and metals such as iron and steel are called pakka houses. Permanent means, underline the word permanent, means lasting for a long time. Houses are made of stones, stones means a hard solid substance that is found in the ground. Bricks. A brick is a building material used to make walls, pavement. Concrete. Concrete means ऐसे जब हम हाउसेस बिल्ड करते हैं तो उसमें जो मटेरियल यूज़ होता है लाइक सीमेंट, बालू, पानी और रोड़ी, इन सब का जो मिक्सचर होता है उसको हम कंक्रीट बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सीमेंट एंड metals such as iron and steel are called pakka houses. Okay, these houses are quite strong. Strong means, underline the word strong. Strong means not easily broken. Okay. Pakka houses do not get damaged. Underline the word damage. Damage means harm due to rain and storm. I already told you the meaning of storm. You know it. Very good. No harm due to heavy rainfall and strong wind because it is पक्का houses. जो हमारे पक्का houses हैं उनका मटेरियल क्या है? स्टोन, ब्रिक, कंक्रीट, सीमेंट, मेटल्स, आयरन, स्टील. इसलिए हमारे जो पक्का हाउसेस हैं वो क्या नहीं होते हैं? डैमेज नहीं होते हैं. किससे? ड्यू टू रेन एंड स्टॉर्म से. ठीक है. तूफान से, heavy rainfall से. Okay, such houses are found in cities and towns. You will find many houses in cities and town. Types of pakka houses. In town and cities we build flat and bungalow. We can build different type of houses in cities and town, like flat and bungalow. Okay, flat means smooth and level with no parts. A flat is a part of a big and tall building. It occupies only one roof. It is a cheaper house and usually safe from thieves. A flat is a part of a big and tall building is called a flats. A building has many floors. Okay class, look at the picture. Look at the picture. This is flat. Okay, there is a part of a tall and big building is called a flats. Okay, a building has many floors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 floors. We are used only one floor. Okay class, clear? Flat, this is flats. Okay, very good. It is a cheaper. Underline the word cheaper. Is meaning of low in price, has and usually safe, free from damage या harm from thieves. Thieves means, underline the word of thieves, a person who steal things from another person. Okay class? Bungalow, underline the word of bungalow. The meaning of a house that is all on one level without stairs. Okay, very good. It is a low house, usually only one story. Story means, underline the word one floor. Okay, construction, underline the word method of building or making something. It has veranda with high boundary walls. Boundary walls means line that marks the limit of something and divides it from other places on things. Okay, it has a lawn or garden. It is a costly house. Underline the word of costly. Costly means expensive. Okay, look at the picture. This is bungalow. Okay, class. This is a bungalow. It is a big and one floor building. It has veranda, high boundary walls, lawn. देखिए ये ट्री 1 2 3 4 ये trees, lawn and garden. These types of houses are very now start writing question number 4. Okay, write down these question answer in your rough notebook. Okay, use your copy of class 1. Write neat and clean. Question number 4. What are pakka houses made of? Answer: pakka houses are made of stone, bricks, concrete, cement and metals such as iron and steel. Repeat again. Question number 4. What? Press your pencil. Write dark. What are pakka houses made of? Answer: pakka houses are made of stone, bricks, concrete, cement and metals such as iron and steel. Written? Very good. Repeat again. Question number 4. What are pakka houses made of? Pakka houses are made of stone, brick, concrete, cement and metals such as iron and steel. class written question number 4? Very good. Today's homework, write and learn question number 4. Okay? Write neat and clean. Use your copy of class 1. Okay? Go to the washroom and wash your hands. Be ready for next class.